The video will guide viewers through the necessary steps to handle a situation where someone files taxes using the information of a deceased relative. It will cover what happened, immediate actions to take, why it happens, next steps, and some important considerations. This video will cover the following agenda: what happened in such cases of tax fraud, the immediate actions you need to take, the reasons why this happens, the next steps after taking initial action, and important considerations to keep in mind. If you receive a notice from the IRS about a tax return filed for a deceased person, it's often an indication of identity theft or tax fraud. Someone may have used your deceased relative's social security number to file a fraudulent tax return, which could be an attempt to claim a refund or gain access to personal information. When you suspect tax fraud, it is crucial to jump into action immediately. First, contact the IRS to inform them of the issue. You'll need to provide proof of your authority to act on behalf of the deceased. This usually involves filing Form 56, Notice Concerning Fiduciary Relationships. Secondly, file Form 14039, the Identity Theft Affidavit, which formally reports the fraud to the IRS. Make sure to include a copy of your ID and the death certificate. Lastly, gather and keep all IRS notices, letters, and any related documents, as they will be vital in resolving the issue. Identity thieves often target deceased individuals to file fraudulent returns in order to receive a refund. Sometimes, their goal is even more sinister, aiming to access more personal data for further identity theft schemes. After taking immediate actions, the IRS will investigate the fraudulent return you've reported. It is crucial to establish a line of communication with the IRS during this process. They can then flag the account to prevent further issues and protect the deceased individual's information. Throughout this process, it's important to be persistent with your communications with the IRS. Consistent follow-ups may be necessary to ensure the situation is being handled appropriately. Additionally, it might be beneficial to report the identity theft to other relevant agencies, such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Here's a quick quiz for you. What form should you file to report identity theft to the IRS? Is it A, Form 56, B, Form 14039, or C, Form W9? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer to our quiz is Form 14039. You should file this identity theft affidavit to inform the IRS of the tax fraud. In summary, if you suspect someone has filed taxes using your deceased relative's information, you should act quickly. File the necessary forms, such as Form 56 and Form 14039, and communicate persistently with the IRS. Also, report the issue to other agencies like the Federal Trade Commission. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to us.